Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to use Binance in Pakistan, here is a quick step-by-step guide. First, download the Binance app or visit the Binance website and create a free account using your email or phone number. Next, complete the identity verification process by uploading your CNIC, passport, or other accepted ID and finish the face verification. Once your account is verified, go to the P2P section to buy crypto using Pakistani Rupees. Choose a trusted seller, enter the amount you want to buy, and send the payment through your preferred bank or payment method. After making the payment, tap transferred and the seller will release the crypto to your Binance wallet. Now you can use your crypto for spot trading, futures trading, staking, or simply hold it in your wallet. When you want to cash out, just go back to P2P, sell your crypto for PKR, and receive the money directly in your bank account. And that's it. You are now ready to use Binance in Pakistan safely and efficiently. Don't forget to follow local regulations and trade responsibility. Thanks for watching.